Myself, Srinivas Murthy, and my wife Sujana Srinivas are the founders of Brain Studio, and we are very happy that we have achieved a great event called 55 Cubers from 15 countries throughout the globe have come together on a digital platform and solving 5 different varieties in 5 minutes.
So we have the starting age group starting from 4.5 years to 44-year-old. So we had a different number of age group, students, elders, homemakers participating in this event. We both are grapho-analytical therapists, that is handwriting experts, and we also train juggling 3 balls cascade and speed sports stacking cups.
We would like to thank the International Book of Records for giving us this opportunity.